All right, I'm going to show you how I keep YouTube productive. I used to have an issue with YouTube for sure a couple months back, but now I find myself maybe spending just a couple hours a week on it. And it's mainly research purposes or to like really when I want to look up something versus like passive viewing. So everything is thanks to this extension called Undistracted. Let me open the actual page of the extension. This extension here, I'll link it in the description. It's awesome. Highly recommend it. So back to YouTube. How I use this is I'll just search up. So I was about to search OpenAI, the new O1 model. And actually coding is a good idea. That's kind of what I want to see. Now from here, I would probably, I'm definitely interested in this one, right? This, the Scott Wu one, because I know this person is a beast with programming stuff. And let's just make this the smaller view. And you can see I have no suggestions on the right side. I have no comments. I don't really care to see people's opinions. Like I'll turn it on if I want to, but I'm here more so to just get the content and form my own opinion. Sometimes I'll turn them on if it's something that I'm like, oh, I wonder what other people have to say about this, but it usually stays off. Yeah, and I have nothing on the side, nothing beneath here too. Oh, and another thing, when I'm home, I have no suggestions. Also, turn your watch history off because that's what feeds your algorithm. It makes it more addicting. Turn it off, and then the extension itself has the option to, let's zoom in here, has the option to configure a bunch of things. So turn your watch history off, but you can also hide your recommendations, hide breaking news, hide sidebar, hide comments. YouTube is not a place where I go for news. So I just have that off. Hide up next, hide shorts. So I have pretty much everything. You could do this. I don't do this because when I click on YouTube Studio, whenever I need to upload something, it'll just, if I turn this on, it'll just send me back to subscriptions, and that's kind of annoying. And you can block YouTube altogether if you want to. And then, so like, let me see. So lately I've been interested in EPO workout motivation. I've been watching these Hajime no Ippo workout motivation things, or just like his like boxing training work. If you're not familiar, Ippo is an anime, right? He's basically, I'm watching The Fighting. I think that came out in like 2013. And he's just like this really nerdy kid who gets picked on a lot and then runs into boxing and then, starts his career as a boxer and gets like really buff and anything. So I'm watching that, and then I've been kind of like obsessed with like looking up his like workout plan and like motivational like edits because when you need a little more motivation, like hit the gym or something, which I've been pretty consistent with. It's cool to have like something like that to watch, or to kind of just like, oh, as you're gonna warm up, just put it on, and then you're like, all right, let's go do some road work or something, right? So yeah, but you see here I have nothing distracting, and the only way I can find stuff is if I look it up, which I think is a great way. Like make the consumption of things an active process, right? All right, that's all I got. Hopefully this helps you save some time and make this platform a little bit more productive for yourself.